Hey YouTube, my name is WoW Rules 392 or AJ. It doesn't really matter. I have a box of archives here, and this is my first box break video, and I don't know how many I will be doing. I have a Scourge War Epic collection coming in the mail. I look for loot, yeah, of course, but I also like to collect WoW stuff since I'm I collect WoW stuff and I play WoW. So, well, yeah, let's get to the break, I guess, see what I get. Flip that out? Oh, okay, so, first pack. Hopefully I get something good. I'm looking for my Shadow Song. That's a pretty cool card, and there's also Leroy Jenkins in here. I like to collect pet cards, so first pack. Since this is my first video, I'm just gonna go say the rares and loot. If you think I should do something else, just let me know. So, Twig of the World Tree. That's a cool card. I like it. Oops, hold on. So, yeah, okay. Twig of the World Tree is the first rare. And then, okay. I would like to play the trading card game. I'm learning how to, I should say. Oops. Sorry if this video seems slow. I'm sure they'll get better eventually. I don't know how many I'll be doing, but giving it a shot. Okay. Oh, nice. A Twig of the World Tree extended art. Nice. That's a rare also. Oh my gosh. I won't be completely disappointed if I get loot because I'm sure I'll get some cool card that I like. I mean, I already got the Twig of the World Tree, so whatever. It's not a complete disappointment. Oh, Lady Vosh Epic. Nice. Corky's Rant. I don't know. I've seen other box breaks and people have said that card's pretty, or they seem excited when they get it. So, okay. The Lady Vosh card is pretty cool. It's from my favorite WoW expansion, the Burning Crusade. You should probably know. Voidfire Wand is the rare. Oops. Lay on Hands is the rare for this pack. Wait. Insect Swarm is the rare for this pack. use a lot of plastic for these boxes. Thunder Fury, Blessed Blade of the Wind Seeker. That's a cool card. That's funny. Okay, first loot card is Papa Hummel's Old Fashioned Pet Biscuit. That's cool. Overkill is the rare for this pack. Sorry if I sometimes go off the screen with the card. It's kind of in an awkward position since I have no idea how to set up a video to do a box break. Banded the Inevitable is the rare for this pack. Packs are a lot easier to open than others. Doomwalker is the epic for this card, for this pack. I think that's epic. Oh, that's cool. So far I got pretty cool cards, well, what I think are pretty cool cards. One loot card so far. Not the best one, but whatever. Wow, sorry about that. Invoke the Nether is the rare for this pack. What the fuck? Sorry about that. I have no idea what the hell's going on.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, last pack from the first row. Deafening Shout is the rare for this pack. That's cool. First pack on the next row. Here. Band of the Inevitable is the rare for this pack again. Sandbox Tiger. Loot card, nice.
Is that good? How many for a box? Champion Zosimus is rare for this pack. Evasion is a rare for this pack. Oops. Band of the Inevitable again. Rare. Fury is the rare for this pack. Holy fuck! Oh, you know that's a $600 card, right? What the fuck? That's the fucking $600 card. Sorry for cursing, but what the fuck?
Tiger?
Yes, that's a fucking spectral tiger.
Cool.
Alright then. There's the rest. 1 second.
Just make another
Holy
video.
shit.
Make a
Oh my god. Wow. That's not cool. Or, well, so sandbox tiger and spectral tiger, that's fun. What the hell? Are you kidding me? Sorry for cursing. Oh my god. Are you serious? I don't know if I'm gonna. I like to use the loot card.
If you use that,
Moonfire extended art is rare for for this pack. Oh my god, are you kidding me? That's fucking crazy. What the fuck? Look at it. That's sorry. All right. Well. Holy crap. That's my first box I've opened too. Well, you might call me stupid for deciding whether I'm going to sell it or use it, but I like to use Moonfire extended art rare. Oh, and a Landra Longshot. Sorry if I'm stumbling. I'm kind of a Landra Longshot loot card. Okay. God, that's free. Or sorry if I'm kind of hesitant or can't even really talk right now. That's freaking awesome. Sorry if I'm kind of confusing. Sorry if I'm saying sorry a lot. But okay. Some of you guys might call me stupid for not even wanting to sell that right away, but I don't really care. Lady Katrana Prester is epic for this card. What the fuck? Alright, 4 packs to go, but it really doesn't matter how many packs are to go anymore because I I'm like kind of pissing myself right now. No, not seriously. Holy Nova is the rare for this pack. Don't touch it.
Oh, you got another loot card?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I wanted that one. It's you can get a tabard in the game. Okay. 3 packs left. Water Elemental is a rare for this pack. Okay, 2 packs left. Hey, can I have a top loader, Justin?
Yeah.
Just one.
I have a look.
Hold on 1 second.
598.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Race Scythe is the rare for this pack. Yeah. I don't know if I've ever seen an archives box with a spectral tiger. I've only seen a couple of videos like Mr. Downstar and Last Emperor, but I don't know. Last pack. crap. Don't fall. Okay. Marksman Glouse is the rare for this pack. No loot, but it doesn't matter. Alright, well that's it. I got 4 loots. Papa Hummel's Old Fashioned Pet Biscuit. Lander Longshot, which I'll probably use that. Spectral Tiger. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. And Sandbox Tiger. So 4 loots, and well, including a Spectral Tiger, which is amazing. I got some pretty cool rares and epics. I don't know how many more videos I'll make. Probably more if I sell the Spectral Tiger. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna post a Scourge War epic collection. I'm getting that box tomorrow. So subscribe if you want. Later.